Hey there, my name is Chidima. Have you ever thought about kickstarting your career in tech? Well, listen up because Bizmaro Technologies has some incredible news for you. Check this out. We are offering an incredible 20% discount on all our digital skill courses. Whether you are into data analysis, website design, digital marketing, UI UX design, cybersecurity, graphics design, motion graphics, or 2D and 3D modeling and animation, we've got you covered. But wait, there is more. If you have ever dreamed of traveling abroad, learning digital skills is your golden ticket. Here is the interesting part. At Bizmaro Technologies, we give you practical hands-on training. Yes, not just theory. You will have a dedicated trainer assigned to you to guide you. And guess what? You'll be creating real-life projects before you even graduate. Our classes are not crowded. We believe in giving you the personal attention you deserve. So, are you ready to seize your future in the tech world? Register today and grab this 20% discount now. My dear friends, the future is digital and Bizmaro Technologies is here to guide you every step of the way. Come, let's make your tech dreams a reality. Bye!